for all of Texas, beginning at 6:29 p.m. Friday, December 13th, and ending at 6:29 p.m. Saturday, December 14th. Amber Alert. Child Abduction from Shepherd, Texas. Suspect vehicle is a grade 2019 Nissan Road with Texas license plate NBN6176. Missing child is Hazel Hush-Lassider, 7-year-old white female. Suspects are Brandon Lassider, 44-year-old white male, and Ashley Doss Lassider, 41-year-old white female. Proceed call 911.
The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for all of Texas beginning at 6:29 p.m. Friday, December 13th and ending at 6:29 p.m. Saturday, December 14th. Amber Alert. Child abduction for Shepherd, Texas. Suspect's vehicle is a grade 2019 Nissan Road with Texas license plate NBN6176. Missing child is Hazel Hush-Lassider, 7-year-old white female. Suspects are Brandon Lassider, 44-year-old white male, and Ashley Doss Lassider, 41-year-old white female. If seen, call 911.